There is a story of the peacock and the thief. There lived a thief in a village. He often went to steal from people's houses and stole things. Everyone was fed up with him, but he did not stop. One day he went to steal from a farmer's house. A peacock, a wild bird, was sitting outside the house. As soon as the thief started to enter, the peacock started shouting loudly, "Thief! Thief! Thief!" The thief said, "This is the same sound as the bird in my house," and started laughing. But when he saw that no one inside was waking up, he started to walk slowly. The peacock started shouting loudly again, "Thief! Thief! Thief!" This time the farmer woke up. He immediately got up and started making noise. The people of the neighborhood also got together and caught the thief. The thief said, "I thought that a small bird would do me any harm, but today I was caught because of this." Lesson: even the smallest thing has great importance. We should not consider anyone weak or insignificant.